Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap, covering market moves in indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities for Friday, June 5th, 2026. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. Today's market saw key indexes mostly down. The S&P 500 index had a downward breakout, closing at 7,384.67, falling by 199.65 points. The Nasdaq Composite Index plunged 1,121.52 points to end at 25,709.43, showing some downward volatility today. Market breadth showed a biased declines across major indexes. The S&P 500 index and Dow 30 index both had more decliners over advancers. An extreme was seen in the Nasdaq Composite Index with 2,133 declines to just 727 advances. The year-to-date performance shows 14.17% gains, led by the Russell 2000 index. Despite recent declines, the S&P 500 index holds a 7.88% return. Over the week, the Nasdaq Composite Index saw a steep drop of 4.68%. On the sector front, utilities led with a 0.8% gain, closing at 448.32. The real estate sector also stood out with a strong positive trend, marking its fourth consecutive day of gains, closing at 283.29. Technology stocks took a significant hit, with the sector down 5.7% to 6,641.53. The consumer cyclical sector also suffered, driven by downward volatility, losing 2.4% to close at 1,878.84. Among global ETFs, Belgium showed resilience, maintaining a strong positive trend despite a slight dip, closing at 26.68. However, the United Kingdom ETF declined by 1%, with a final price of 46.38. Year-to-date, the Belgium ETF has a solid gain of 9.79%, while Ireland's ETF shows a 3.71% increase. Meanwhile, Malaysia's ETF continues to experience a strong negative trend, with a 2.31% weekly loss, keeping it subdued overall. The tech sector closed today with notable declines. Apple ended at 307.34, down 3.89, breaking down after 3 days of stasis. Alphabet at 365.76, decreased by 3.51. Amazon saw the biggest tumble, dropping 7.76 to finish at 246.3. Meta Platforms reported a steep fall of 34.57, closing at 593. Finally, Nvidia closed at 205.11, slipping by 13.55 amidst a downward shift.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Bitcoin dips to 61,082.82, shedding 2,723.20 today, marking 6 days of downturn and a strong negative trend. Ethereum follows, dropping by 172.28 to 1,596.25, hinting at a possible one-year low. BNB is also on a downslide at 573.34, down 30.71. Solana and Dogecoin face similar downfalls with strong negative trends. For daily returns, Bitcoin fell with a weekly decline of around 17%. Ethereum shows even sharper losses, down nearly 21% this month. Similarly, BNB slides with a roughly 19% decline. Solana and Dogecoin aren't doing well either, with strong downward trends and double-digit losses.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The US dollar saw notable gains against various currencies. The euro currently trades at 0.8674, up by 0.0065. Sterling experienced a rise, with the greenback at 0.7497, up by 0.0047. Against the yen, the dollar is at 160.2020, showing a strong upward trend. The Swiss franc is trading at 0.7960, with significant gains today. Lastly, the Australian dollar stands at 1.4199, continuing its positive trend.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts Timothy Satoshi and Victoria Cashmore. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 4 p.m. New York time for daily market reports with in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.